Hi everyone, I am Azazmir, data scientist at Royal Cyber. Have you ever found yourself wrestling with the complexities of ETL pipelines, where the demand for a myriad of tools become overwhelming? The process of integrating diverse tools can be intimidating, leaving developers uncertain about the most effective approach. The solution is Databricks Unity Catalog, in which we can build complex automated pipelines and use AI models seamlessly embedded into the platform, govern and monitor the whole process in one place without much hassle. The agenda for this video is: first, we'll explore Unity Catalog, a tool that helps keep your data and AI models organized and secure. We'll dive into how generative AI can be integrated using Unity Catalog. Then, we'll look at how it allows you to govern your data and AI models. Unity Catalog is a centralized metadata management system within the Databricks Lakehouse platform. It provides a unified layer for data governance, access control, lineage tracking, and discovery across diverse data assets within and beyond Databricks workspaces. Now let's go through the journey of how we can use generative AI and other models in Unity Catalog. We can implement efficient RAG using generative AI. We can also fine-tune our models using our own data stored within Unity Catalog. We also have the ability to train a model from scratch. All the compute and resources required for these processes is provided by the Databricks platform. So the advantage of this is that firstly, we have complete control of our data and our model. We can deploy models using Unity Catalog as a serverless endpoint and then utilize it for our use cases. And since we are using a single unified platform, we can build high quality, cost effective solutions for the customers. With the rise of generative AI, it has been crucial more than ever to focus on data governance. Under the umbrella of data governance, Unity Catalog offers tools for discovery of our data using semantic search. We can implement access control using column and row level filtering. We can track and visualize all the transformations using data lineage. Furthermore, we can monitor and audit our models and pipelines using lakehouse monitoring. And finally, we can share our data and models with other organizations securely using delta sharing. If you want to know more about how Royal Cyber is creating cutting-edge solutions using Databricks Unity Catalog, feel free to ping us at info@royalcyber.com.